Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change a Game Pass price in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Tap on Create from the top of your screen. Click on Creations from the left side. Under Experiences, select the game that has the Game Pass that you want to edit. Scroll down to Monetization section. Now tap on Passes from the left menu. Find the Game Pass that you want to change. Tap on Sales. Here you can change a Game Pass. Click on the slider button of the item for sale to edit the Game Pass price. Then update the price by tapping in a new amount of Robux. Tap on Save Changes to confirm the new price. And that's how you can change the Game Pass price in Roblox.